Ma'am, obvious.
Ethan, kapag yung gusto?
Ay, mag-jump over lang eh.
Lo, yung totoo.
Oo, totoo.
Sayang, talino mo naman eh.
Sorry guys, mauna na ako.
Nakakapagod. Nakakapagod na magaling ako sa mata ng iba. Akala nila madali. Akala nila hindi ako napapagod. They see the smiles and the strength. I can handle it, they said. But they don't see the nights where everything feels heavy. Minsan, gusto ko ring huminto. Tao pa ba ako? Laging inaasahan? Tagasalo? Still, I keep going, even when I'm exhausted. Moving forward quietly, carrying what no one notices. It will be okay. I will find what is right for me in the future. I stopped chasing. I chose the quiet. I wasn't lost. I was just finding my way. Silence isn't emptiness. It's peace.